Okay, class 9, this is your part 2 video from exercise 3 expansion. Okay, this is exercise 3.1 and today we start from the question number 16 subpart 1. So in question number 16 subpart 1, question is x plus 2y plus 3, x plus 2y plus 7. Okay, so the first we see the x plus 2y, x plus 2y. We take in let x plus 2y is equals to a. So in place of x plus 2y, we will write a plus 3 and here is a plus 7. Then it is very easy for us to multiply. Okay, because we know that a plus 7 is multiplied by a and a plus 7 is also multiplied by 3. So a plus 7 multiplied by a plus 7 is also multiplied by plus 3. So a into a, it's a square plus a into 7, 7a plus 3 into a, 3a plus 3 2 ja 21. So a square plus 7a plus 3a, that is 10a plus 21. But we take in x plus 2y as a, so in place of a we write down x plus 2y whole square plus 10. In place of a again we write down x plus 2y plus 21. Normal as that, we open the bracket, this is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula, we know that a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Clear? 10 into x, 10x plus 10 into 2y, 20y plus 21. So x square is x square, 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 2y, that is 4xy. So 2y square is 4y square. So 10x plus 20y plus 21. Okay, note. Now it's time for question number 17.1. 2p plus 3q, this is 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. First of all, you see, we write on this one 2p plus 3q. Okay, in place of 4p square, you write down 2p whole square. Again, when this open, again 4p square. Okay, minus, in place of 6pq, because we see here 2p 3q, that is 2p into 3q. Again 2 into 3, 6p into q, 6q plus, in place of 9q square, we write down 3q whole square. 3 square is 9 and q square is q square. Okay, so what we see, it's look like na a plus b, a square minus a into b plus b square. For we know that aq plus bq formula is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So you look, see like na same na, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So in place of that we just write down what, a cube plus b cube. So this is your a cube and this is your b cube. So this is 8p cube and this one is 27q. Clear? Note. Okay, question number 18 subpart 1. 3p minus 4q, 9p square plus 12pq plus 16q square. So 3p minus 4q, in place of 9q square you write down 3p whole square plus 12 pq. In place of 12 pq, write down 3p and 4q. So 3p into 4q. 3 4 are 12 pq pq. That is 12 pq. 16q square, 4q square. Done. So we know that the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, and a square plus ab plus b square. It's look like same na, 3p as a and 4q as b. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So in place of that one, we just write down what? A cube minus b cube, that is who a? 3p is like a minus and 4q like b. So 3 cube it's 27, p cube is p cube, 4 square it's 4 cube it's 64, 4 4 just 16 and 16 into 4 64 cube. Clear? Note. Okay, question number 21. Find the coefficient of x square and x in the product of x minus 3, x plus 7 and x minus 4. Just you write down the coefficient of x square and x. First of all, we solve the product. Okay, we multiply x minus 3 and x plus 7, that is x plus 7 multiplied by x and x plus 7 multiplied by minus 3. After solving this, again we multiply by x minus 4. Okay, so this is x square plus x into 7, 7x minus 3 into x, 3x minus plus minus 3 7s are 21, x minus 4, x square plus 7x minus 3x plus 4x minus 21, multiply x minus 4. Okay, this one is multiplied by x and again multiply by minus 4, so x square plus 4x minus 21 multiply by x and x square plus 4x minus 21 multiply by minus 4. Okay, so x into x square, x cube plus 4 into x, 4x square minus 20 into x is 21x minus 4 into x minus 4x square minus plus minus 4 into 4x 16x minus minus plus 4 into 21 it's 84. Again we check the sign, plus minus 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 here, that is minus minus plus. Okay, so x cube is alone plus 4x square minus 4x square cancel, minus 21x minus 61x minus 37x plus 84. So write the coefficient of x square, nothing in the x square, so the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is 0 because nothing is here in x square, and write the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x, that means what is along with the x, so with x it's minus 7, so coefficient of x is minus 37. Clear? Note. Okay, question number 23. Use a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and find the value of 101 whole square. Okay, that means use this formula and find the value of this one. If not using this formula, you just multiply 101 into 101 and you get the answer. But here is clearly mentioned, use the formula. So in place of 101 we write down 100 plus 1 whole square. So this is A and this is B. So A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So 100 square is 10,000. 2 into 100, 200 into 1, again 200 plus 1. So sum of that 10201. Clear? Question number 24. In question number 24, use A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square, and find the value of 99 whole square. If you not use the formula, then you simply multiply 99 into 99 and again we get the answer. But here clearly mentioned that what? Use the formula of A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square formula is what? 100 minus 1 whole square. So that is A minus B. So we know the formula of A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2 into A into B plus B whole square. So A square, that is 100 square, in place of 100 you write down 10,000. 2 into 100, 200 plus 1. So that is 200. So 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800 plus 1, that is 9,801. Okay, note. Okay, in question number 25, 1, written using suitable by using suitable identities. Number 1, using 103 whole square. So 103 whole square, that is what? 100 plus 3 whole square. Done. Identities that we're using the formula, na? So in place of, this is cube, sorry, this is cube. So A plus B whole cube, we know the formula of A plus B whole cube, that is A cube plus B cube plus 3 into A into B plus in bracket A plus B. Clear? So 100 cube is 10 lakh. Okay, 3 cube is 27. 3 into 100 is 300. 300 into 3, 900. 900 multiply 100 plus 3. Again we write down 10 lakh plus 27. 900 into 100 is 90,000 plus 900 into 3 is 2700. Clear? So we add this 1 0 9 2 7 2 7. 10,000, that is 10 lakh 92,727. Okay, note. Okay, question number 27, 1. In question number 27, only question number 27. If value of A plus B plus 2C equals to 0, then prove that A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube equals to 6ABC. Okay. If A plus B plus C is equals to 0, then prove that using this, solve this, that is find the value of this, that prove that A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube is equals to 6ABC. Okay, this is your question using this one. Given A plus B plus 2C equals to 0, This is given. So a plus b equals to minus 2c, we write down this plus 2c getting there, and cubing both side. Cubing both side we get, this is our equation 1, and cubing both side. When you cubing both side, a plus b whole cube and minus 2c whole cube. So this is a plus b, using the formula of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b equals to minus, and 2c cube is 8c cube. Okay, 2c cube, that means minus 2c into minus 2c. So minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8. C into c, c square, and c, that is c cube. Clear? Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in place of a plus b, because we know the value of a plus b is what? Minus 2c. So here we are using minus 2c equals to minus 8c cube from using equation 1. We using equation 1. So in place of a plus b we write down minus 2c. So this is a cube plus b cube plus minus 3ab into 2c, that is 6, 3 to just 6, abc equals to minus 8c cube. So a cube plus b cube minus 8c come this side plus 8c cube equals to minus 6ab going this side, that is 6abc. You see, we are proved. Okay.